In this video it's all about what new drone did I bought. So I was thinking about buying Lito X1 or Lito X1, I don't know how they pronounce it. But after seeing some review videos I was doubting. I bought myself a Mini 5 Pro. Why? I saw some reviews and yeah, this came out a lot better than the X1. So the X1 has a lot of nice features, but also, yeah, I already have the Neo 2 and I have the Flip. They also can do really nice things, but this thing can do even more. The camera in this thing is amazing. This evening we're gonna fly a little bit with it. Let's see what kind of pictures it delivers.
But first, let's do some unboxing. It comes with a nice bag.
So the bag is empty, I will put it back in the bag later.
It came with an RC2. I don't need to, so I already sold it.
The drone. You get the charger and the 2 extra batteries. Or the extra blades. And the 832 and 128. And a USB cable for the charger. And a new sticker. So I can put another sticker on my door. Look. Turning on. Oh, makes a familiar sound. So bloop. Bloop. I think this fits in here. Yeah. Watch.
I started the first flight with a cruise control flight. I flew around 20 kilometers an hour and it felt very smooth. I also did a speed test, of course I forgot to record it, but I flew with around 64 kilometers an hour. Also, I got a warning that I was out of range again, so I was starting to doubt if it's something with how the controller is set up. So for the rest it flies the same as the Neo 2 or Flip. You just press the home button and it returns home directly.
Let's see if I can catch it from in my hand. So I started it from my hand. Let's also see if you can catch it. I have no clue. Yes. Also can make a nice reveal shot, I see here. If you look over here, don't know if you see it, the sun is at the church, just over the trees. When the drone is back, I will make a nice shot of that.
I've switched everything to full auto. And now I'm going to shoot a time-lapse of the bridge in the city of Rena. According to DJI, the Mini 5 Pro should be using its HDR processing automatically. So let's see what kind of result we get. For the final test I'm heading out after sunset. I'm curious to see how visible the drone lights are in the dark and how much they help when flying in low light conditions.
Now you see the lights. When I press on the record button here, the lights turn off. So I have no clue why that is, but that's something I have to figure out at home. because that's the thing I wanted to test now. But yeah, let's make some nice footage and then go over.
I still managed to get some really nice footage of the church. It just wasn't as dark as I was hoping for, so the drone lights didn't get the challenge I wanted to give them. Looks like I'll be coming back for another test soon.
So for my first flight with this drone, I'm already very happy with the results. I can already tell that I'm flying a lot better than when I started with the Neo 2, and I definitely see the potential of this drone. That also doesn't mean that I will only fly with this drone from now on. No, I will be flying with all my drones, because I will make comparison with the drones, and I will also tell which drone I like more in certain situations. So the big reason I bought this drone was because of the really good camera it has. So probably for some nice cinematic shots I will use this one. But if I want to play around in the forest with obstacle things, then probably the Neo 2 is the way to go. So let's see. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and let's see you in the next one.